Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a brand new update for Google Sheets, and that is the ability to create your own custom drop-down chips. You've probably seen these things available and have maybe even worked with them in your Google Docs. Well, now they're here in Sheets. So let's show you how these work. I've selected my cell I want my drop-down chip in. In the upper left, we're going to go to the Insert menu. 3/4 of the way down, you'll see drop down is a new option under checkboxes. When we select that, it's automatically inserted an oval shape as well as my little arrow to the right for the drop down. And if I click, I'll see option 1, option 2. Now to customize this, I can click on the pencil to go from here, or I'm going to go to the right side of the screen, which you'll see a data validation rules window has popped out. Underneath criteria, just below that, if we click, you'll see that we have drop down or drop down from range as new options. And then under that, all of our previous data validation rules to select from. Under that, we are going to click and we are going to change option 1 to be completed. Option 2, on hold. Let's add another item, in progress. Now let's select the colors we want these chips to be. To the left where it says the little arrow of completed, we're going to click on that and we're going to click on green. Just to the left of on hold, how about we click the yellow, kind of like the stoplight. And then for in progress, let's do the pastel red. Now I could add additional items, add additional advanced options, but for now, I think we're good. In the bottom right, we'll click on done. To the top right corner of our screen, you'll see the rule that we can click on and modify at any point in time to update and tweak. To the left and in the middle of our screen, we will see our new drop-down with our new options that we can select from. Quick trick, if you want this to appear in all of your rows down below, you can grab the little icon or box in the bottom right corner of the cell, drag. And now for each one of these, I can select a different status from the choice of my list. So you can customize these on however you want. Until we meet again another day, another time, another update, that is how you can use custom drop-down chips in Google Sheets. This is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.